क्या आपको इंग्लिश न्यूज़ चैनल्स समझने में परेशानी आती है? या फिर कोई बहुत ही फ्लुएंटली या फ़ास्ट बोलता है, तो उसको समझने में परेशानी आती है? या फिर आप चाहते हैं कि आप नेटिव स्पीकर जैसे अमेरिकन्स और ब्रिटिशर्स के इंग्लिश को समझ सकें? अगर आपका आंसर येस है, तो आप इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिए। Because in this video, I will teach you the listening practice. By listening practice exercise, you will be able to improve your English vocabularies, your grammar, and you will also be able to speak English fluently. And moreover, you will be able to understand English news channels. If somebody speaks English fluently, you will also be able to understand. Because I'm going to upload the listening practice videos every day, which will help you to improve your English to a great extent. Hi guys, this is Muhyiddin Shak, and I would like to welcome you to International Speakers Academy. Guys, इस वीडियो के आखिर में मैं आपको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी देने वाला हूं। आप हमारे इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग मास्टर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं अपने इंग्लिश को वर्ल्ड क्लास बनाने के लिए और एक बेहतरीन इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेटर बनने के लिए। So guys, before I start my today's session, I would like to explain to you what you have to do. First, आपको जो मैं स्टोरी बोलने जा रहा हूँ, जो मैं उस स्टोरी को इंग्लिश में बताऊंगा आपको, तो आप उस स्टोरी को अच्छे से सुनिए। आपको क्या फोकस करना है? जो आपको समझ में आ रहा है, आपको फोकस उस पे करना है। आपको जो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, उस पे फोकस नहीं करना है। यही गलती बहुत सारे लोग करते हैं कि जो समझ में नहीं आता है, उस पे फोकस करते हैं। तो जो समझ में आता है, उनको वो भी समझ में भी नहीं आ पाता है, और जो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तो दैट इज ऑब्वियस कि वो आपको समझ में आएगा ही नहीं। तो जब आप स्टोरी को देखें या उस स्टोरी को सुने, तो आप जो समझ रहे हैं उस पे फोकस कीजिए। अगर एक बार में आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, 2 बार देखिए, 3 बार देखिए। जब तक आप समझ लें अच्छे तरीके से, तब तक आप इस वीडियो को बार-बार देखिए। जब आप वीडियो को अच्छे से समझ लें, स्टोरी को अच्छे से समझ लें, तो वीडियो के आखिर में जो इस स्टोरी के अंदर में न्यू वोकैब्युलरीज, जो नए वर्ड्स आएंगे, मैं उसका मीनिंग आपको बताऊंगा। इस वीडियो को इस स्टोरी को अच्छे से समझने के बाद आप इस स्टोरी को खुद से बोले, या फिर आप किसी दूसरे को भी इस स्टोरी को इंग्लिश में बोलिए, खुद से भी इंग्लिश में बोलिए। आपको सेम टू सेम आपको मगअप नहीं करना है, रट्टा नहीं मारना है। आप पहले स्टोरी को समझ लीजिए, और जो आपने समझा है, जो आपको आपके ब्रेन में जो स्टोरी है, आपको उसी स्टोरी को अपने अल्फाज में दूसरे तक पहुंचा देना है, दूसरों को सुनाना है, या आप खुद को भी सुना सकते हैं। ऐसा करने से आपकी ज़बान को अच्छी फ्लुएंसी मिलेगी, जिसकी वजह से आप अच्छे से इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली बोल पाएंगे। आपकी वोकैबुलरीज इंप्रूव होगी, क्योंकि आप हर रोज नए-नए वोकैबुलरीज सीखने जा रहे हो। और वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत इंप्रूव हो जाएगी, क्योंकि इंग्लिश सुनने से आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग इंप्रूव होगी। सो इस लेसन के अंदर में आप जो भी प्रॉब्लम इंग्लिश में फेस कर रहे हैं, उन सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स के अंदर में ये सेशन आपको हेल्प करने जा रहा है। सो गाइज, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Mullah Nasiruddin and his neighbor. Once upon a time, Mullah Nasiruddin was talking to his neighbor. During conversation, his neighbor lamented that I have a very small house, and in that small house, I live with my wife, 3 children, and my mother-in-law. All of them complained about the house. They tell that the house is very narrow, very small, and they face lots of problem. And I'm fed up of listening their complaining. Mullah Nasruddin said, Do you have any chicken in your yard? The neighbor said, I have 10 chickens. Mullah Nasruddin said, put them into your house. The neighbor said, Mullah Nasruddin, what are you saying? Mullah Nasruddin said that, just try it out. The neighbor was desperate to find a solution to his spacing woes. Therefore, he accepted the advice of Mullah Nasruddin. He went to his house, he went to his yard and took all 10 chickens and put inside the house. Next morning, the neighbor hurriedly came to Mullah Nasruddin and started complaining. We had very difficulties last night. After putting 10 chickens inside the house, after putting those 10 chickens inside our house, we were cramped. There was no space. And whole night, my wife, children, and my mother-in-laws were complaining. Having heard him, Mullah Nasruddin said, do you have any donkey in your yard? The neighbor said, yes, I have a donkey. He said, put him inside your house. Mullah Nasruddin, what are you saying? Said the neighbor. Mullah Nasruddin calmly said, listen to me and act upon my advice. Since he was desperate and he was looking for a solution, again he listened to Mullah Nasruddin. He went to his yard, took the donkey and put the donkey inside his house that night. At night, everybody started screaming and started saying to the person, what the hell you are doing? You are putting chickens and donkey in the house. Where would we sleep? But somehow the neighbor of Nasruddin kept quiet, and that was horrible night for them. In the morning, again, hurriedly he walked up to Mullah Nasruddin and said that, Mullah Nasruddin, what advice you have been giving to me? The more I listen to you, the more problem I am inviting. Mullah Nasruddin put his hand over his neighbor's shoulder and said, what else do you have in your yard? The neighbor said, now I have one goat. Mullah Nasruddin said, go and put that goat inside your house too. Listening to this, the neighbor was astonished. He said, what are you saying, Mullah Nasruddin? He said, calm down. Listen to me, what I'm saying to you. The neighbor went, took the goat and put inside the house. And the house was absolutely cramped. There was no space at all. And none of them could sleep that night. And there was fight among themselves whole night over the space. The next morning, the neighbor hurriedly came and knocked the door of Mullah Nasruddin. Mullah, Mullah, Mullah. Mullah Nasruddin opened the door and said, what happened? What are you doing so early over here? Mullah Nasruddin, you will get me killed. I have been listening to advice and I have been falling more and more into trouble. Mullah Nasruddin smiled and told him, now you go to your house and remove all the chickens, donkey, and the goat. The man went to his house and he removed all the chicken, the donkey, and the goat. And night came up. They all slept comfortably, and that night, no one complained about the space. Next morning, the neighbor came happily and said that Mullah Nasruddin, your advice worked. Now nobody complained last night and everybody was happy on my decision to take all the animals outside of my house. And the neighbor happily went back home and started living happily in that house with his wife, children, and mother-in-law. So, ladies and gentlemen, this story is very inspiring. What do you learn from this story? This story teaches us that we must be adaptable according to situation. We should not be complaining all the time. Rather, we should work and we should resolve the problem. So guys, you have to do now two things. Now you have watched this video. Once again, you listen to me telling this story attentively. And then now I'm going to teach you the vocabularies, learn their vocabularies. And after doing these two exercises, tell this story to yourself or to someone else in order to improve your understanding, your speaking, your grammar, and vocabularies. So now let's learn the vocabularies. Right now you heard the story about Nasruddin and his neighbor. Neighbor means Padosi. The first neighbor means Padosi. Lament. I said lament. The neighbor lamented. मतलब दुख जाहिर करना, दुख बताना. Seek, the past is sought. Sought means तलब करना, खोजना. Yard. Yard मतलब खलिहान. In village you have yard where you keep animal or your grain crops. That is called yard, means खलिहान, right? Desperate. Desperate means निराश या बेचैन. Spacing oz. Oz means दुख परेशानी, जगह की परेशानी. Spacing oz means जगह की परेशानी. Cramped, फुसा हुआ होना या तंग होना या कम जगह होना is called cramped. किसी भी चीज को भरने के बाद में आपके पास में बिल्कुल तंग जगह हो, so in that situation we use say cramped. Distressed, परेशान. Lack of something, किसी चीज की कमी. So किसी चीज की कमी is called lack of. So the neighbor had lack of space. पड़ोसी के पास में जगह की कमी थी. Charm. Charm means मंत्र ताबीज. So at the end, the neighbor came to Mullah Nasruddin and said that Mullah Nasruddin, your advice has worked like a charm. कि तुम्हारी जो advice थी वो मंत्र की तरह काम किया. So guys, these are the vocabularies. You memorize it because they are very useful. That will help you in order to improve your vocabulary. Now I would like you to do three things. Number one, write down in the comment box below what did you learn out of this story and what more you would like to learn from me. Number two, if you got some value from this video, from this story, why don't you share the video with your family, your friends, and your acquaintances so that they may also get value. Number three, once again, I invite you to join our English Speaking Mastery online training program in order to make your English powerful, to speak world-class English language, to improve your English communication skills. Thank you very much for watching this video. The WhatsApp number has been given in the comment box below. You can WhatsApp us in order to join our English Speaking Mastery Training Program. Thank you very much once again. Catch you in next video.